Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks. Today we are discussing about Excel. So here I am going to discuss some 10 topics. It's like a tour to Excel. In just 10 steps, you will be up and running with Excel, the world's most popular spreadsheet app. So why to wait? Let's go. So this is adding the cells. Yeah, so here we have different apples, oranges, banana, lemons, their price is there. It's a very simple, just click equal and sum, just select whatever rows or you want to add, simply hit enter. So that's it. Here it is 170 rupees. So the shortcut is just select everything, alt enter. So that's it. It's very easy. Click on alt enter. So it is some will be given, it will give. So here also I'm just trying that. So first we should select it and then something wrong. So I think something wrong here. So I'm just doing again. Alt enter. No, it's not working. Select yellows. Here another way we had using a shortcut key. Select yellow cell under the formula amounts meet. Okay. So just select yellow cell. Alt enter. Something mess up here. That's it. So here is the way. So alt equal and then enter, we should do that. So like that I done here. So there is one more thing we can do. Simply click sum if, just select what rows you want to add, and then here we are doing greater than excuse me, here we are adding greater than 50. So it will add all the cells that are greater than 50. So simply try it here, equal to sum if. I am adding all the above rows. Criteria we should place in double quotes, less than 100. Whatever cells are less than 100, I am just adding it. So that is 160. So that's fine. So I want try some more details here. So here is the thing. So here you can see simply some more exercises I am just doing. That's it. So it's sum is 170. So one more thing what we can do is simply select all the cells. So here you can see right side down, here 170 is there. That is one more good way. Without entering any formula, on the go we can find the sum. The count is 4, average is 42.5. This is one thing. Similarly we can do some other stuff also, like for example here you can see sum. I just chosen these cells and then I added 100 also. Any numbers we can add it, but that's not good because we may forget what is there inside the formula. So it's always suggested, instead of entering numbers you can have some inputs. So just to make like that as an input, I just entered it here. So whatever you will enter 100, now it will be adding. So that's one thing. Yeah. So here the same thing again, sum if function, it will add all the cells. We can specify the range greater than 50 under double quote. So like that it will happen. So we can keep whatever condition we need. That's it. It doesn't mean we have to keep only less than or greater than. We can keep this also. So whenever it is not equal to 50, that will be added. So all these things are added. So we can see it here, that is 160. Yeah, it is matching. So like this we can see add column, add function. So if you need more info, you can go to the web and find it. I'm just moving to next. Yeah, so this is a fill column, fill function. How we are using fill purpose? So for example, here this plus this is 100, so that's what we are doing. So simply select that, go to corner, whenever it is a plus symbol, you can simply drag it. That's it. That's very simple. So what happened now? It simply added, it simply applied that for format to everything. So that is very one good thing. Yeah, simply here also we can apply same thing, but we have one shortcut. So what it is, simply select all the cells and press Ctrl plus D. That's it. Here you can see the whatever I am explaining, I just narrated here. Ctrl plus D, we can press it. So that's the thing. It's very easy, very simple. So here also I am doing same thing. This is the cell. Actually this is summation of everything. One thing I can do is I can simply click on that, go to corner, whenever it is plus symbol, just drag it. So all the cells were summation. It will be displayed. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z. I want to do it automatic without dragging. So Ctrl plus D. That's it. Yeah, now it is summation. So I am just pressing again. Yeah, all the cells I am selecting. Ctrl plus D. So okay, I think something wrong here. Yeah, so yeah, let me check it again. Yeah, so in this filling right also, Ctrl plus D. All the cells you select, Ctrl plus D, we can press it. Yeah, so this is one thing. We have another way. We can do fill table. For example, we can simply drag it. So all the things will be copied. This is nothing but copying. This is nothing but copying. Right side we can see it is almost a copy cell. So this is not only for produce or fruit. Some January, February, for like that also we can add it. Yeah, here you can see. Here I am just dragging it. So it is automatic. Excel is built with some automatic intelligence features where it will recognize the data, it will fill it. So whenever numerals are there, it will simply increase to next value. If you don't want it, you can just simply hit copy. Here fill series. Yeah, so something like you can try like that. So here we have again you see I am just selecting, so it is filling the data. So one more thing, for example, here we have two values. I am just want to fill same thing throughout. So what it will be, it will take the difference between these two is 15, same thing it will apply throughout. Yeah, that's what happened now. For example, I am just right undo, and I just can undo it, Ctrl Z. So 1.2, I just entered it. So I just want to fill it again. So everywhere it is filled with a 0.2 difference. Yeah, it need not be only positive, it can be negative also. So let's try. So we can fill like this. So points 0.2, 0.4. Yeah, so with 0.2 difference. It need not be only numbers, it can be January and March. So we can add like this. So it will take 1 month difference, February, April, March. Yeah, so January, February, March. Yeah, so it will add one thing. We can add Sunday, Monday also. Otherwise I am just deleting everything. I am typing Monday and Wednesday. So here the difference is one day is added, 2 days is added extra. So we can find like this. So it will give some automatic results. This is about fill. Now I am going to the split. For example, here we have one text data. So if you want to split the names, what we will do, we have to type it, right? Nancy, Nancy, something like that. Everything we have to type it manually, but it's not like that. There is no need to type manually everything. For example, yeah, here you can see when I am typing second letter, the Excel is built with some intelligence. It is automatically displaying me something. Here for next row John, next row Maria, next row Yvonne. So I am just entering. So everything is filled. That's very nice, right? So since simply we can do like that. We have one shortcut also. We can press Control E, Control plus E. Yeah, so now it is automatically filled. That's very nice, right? Yeah, we have one more thing, that's just displaying I mean delimiters. For example, we have here data. We want to separate all the data in 3 columns: Nancy, Smith, Contoso Limited. All three we want in 3 different columns. How we can do that? Actually we should type it manually, right? So it's not like that. We can simply select everything and go to data, go to delimiter. So here delimited is selected, so simply select on comma, so and then press next. So where you want to display your data, destination is here, so simply finish it. That's it, that's fine. So you can see it here, everything is already displayed. So that is one option. We have other split function here, that is left, right, find length. That is very useful. For example, you have this letter, you want Francis McKay. We have this entire sentence build up with 3 letters, the 3 words. So how we can split all the 3 letters? For example, you can see it here: first name, middle name, last name. I just splitted it here. So we have some functions, left function. So what we can do, left function. So this is left. So for example, let's come here. This is left function. So I selected this that cell C56. Now I am finding length up to which I need to display. So I am just checking the find function. The first space, whenever it will give, that will display the entire length. So after that I am removing the space itself, so it will give first letter. Similarly we can use other letters. Here is the explanation. Left I am using, again simply you can use right. From total length you can remove first space, so it will display entire second thing to you. Similarly you can apply middle name and last name. That is one thing. Yeah, if you need more details you can search on web. Yeah, I am going to next. Yeah, that is a transpose. Yeah, it is very good tool. For example, here you have item bread, donuts, cookies, cake, spice, and the price is like this. So if you want in vertical column, how we will do? These are horizontal, right? So simply select everything, Control C, click on this yellow cell where we want paste it. Simply select on home tab, paste, and then just transpose it. That's it. So it's simply transposed. That's nice, right? That's nice. So this is one thing. We have a shortcut also. Yeah, shortcut for paste special is Control Alt V. So simply copy it. For pasting, Control Alt V. So it is asking like this, paste special. So here you can see formulas or values or formats or yeah, whatever we want. Here last one is a transpose. So that worked, right? Yeah, I didn't select it properly. So now I am doing Control Alt V. That's it. Yeah, so that's it. This is one one thing. Otherwise we can simply see in right click also. So just control copy it, and while pasting itself you can see in right click. So it's up to you, you can just check it here. Yeah, that is one thing. Yeah, transpose with formula, we have some formula also. This is useful when we are working with macros and all. Yeah, so this is what we want to copy, right? So simply copy it. Yeah, so here we want to paste it. So simply enter transpose. Simply select entire thing and then close it. Control Shift Enter. Control plus Shift plus Enter. That's it. So this will be useful when you are working with macros. That's very nice. So that's the thing. So if we are moving to next one, sorting and filter. For example, here we have department names with a different meat, bakery, produce, daily, different things we have here. So what I am doing is I just want to filter from alphabetical order. So what I am doing is just click on the department, go to home, and then filter small a to z. That's it. So bakery we have, daily we have, meat we have, produce we have. So like this it is filtered. So for example, if you need largest to smallest in December, which item sold more, so simply click go to the sort, largest to smallest, simply click yes. So this is the thing. So this is 20 lakh is for meat is costly item. Yeah, so this is one thing. Another thing is so we can do another thing also. Select, say for example, select all. So we have selected everything. We can go, we need only bakery items for example. So I selected everything, I am just filtering. So it is filtered now. So I am going just clicking on that down arrow, small down triangle. So here I am. So I am removing everything, I am selecting only bakery. So only bakery items we have now. So we can see. So this is one thing. If I don't want any filter, I can clear everything. So everything is everything came now. So that is one thing. Yeah, we can filter it by color also, by date also. Yeah, that's what I am going to tell. For example, this is the date. Some we want, for example, oldest to newest. So here we can see oldest to newest. So this is yeah, this is 24th date, that is 18th date. So like this we can see. If you want newest to oldest, latest at top, then we can just filter it also. That's the one thing. So one more thing is simply colors. Yeah, I'm just removing everything. I mean, yeah, that's it. So we can just filter by color also. So here we have a yellow color. So all yellow colors were filtered. So we can no fill with no colors were filtered. Yeah, so that's small again, small to large, that anyhow we know. So we have everything. So we have now, for example, this is average related. So here we have just click on this. So just number filter. So just go right side, above average. We have above average. So just click on above average. So above average only they have displayed here. This is hotel data with above average. For example, food with a greater than 25 we want to display. So then just go to number, just see it here what you want, greater than 25. So I am just entered the value. So we have only two values matching our condition. Yeah. So this is about sort and filtering. So I am just moving to another one. This is about tables. Yeah, with the normal data and with table data we have different purposes. For example, this is the data, it's normally I typed. So I am just clicking on any one of the data, I am just going to insert, I am just clicking on table. So it chosen everything. So here my table has headers, that column it already check mark. So I am just clicking OK. So this is converted into table now. You can see it here. This row is a little bit gray, this row is a little bit white, again this row is a little bit gray. So what is the difference? Excel makes it very easy for reading by making with different colors for each row, that particularly applicable in a table. So here you can see one small triangle at the right side corner. What it means? So you just click on that. Yeah, you can add it whenever you are just, that is useful for whenever you are for adding another column in table. So same format it will apply to that. So that's very easy. We don't need to do manual formatting. So whenever that is there, we can simply add another row or another column. Yeah, like this. It will, as it has some intelligence. So it has just repeating the cycle after December, January, February, like that. So if you want to add any other item, for example, one more meat here. So yeah, you can see this row is automatically inserted. Next row. That's very nice, right? It has built-in features. Built-in features. So I am doing one more thing now. So here is the table. We can make all the things alt equal to. So I am just calculate columns in table. How to calculate some of the columns in the table? So I am just selecting this one. So I am just entering alt and equal. So this is what sums are target, right? So everything is summated now. So everything is summated. Simply we have another thing. For example, this is the table. I just selected the table. We have some different cells. So what I am doing is, for example, I am just selected the table. I am just clicking on here. So what it is saying, you can see it here. So different things are there. Yeah, let me do it myself. For example, I selected one. This is yeah, we are not able to see. I want to move this one little bit ahead. So here summation of our table. For example, say this is what I am doing. Data bars. Yeah, you can see the data bars. So it based on the value of this cell, it will display the content. So it will display the color, it will display the icons. So it will display greater than, say greater than 45, it will display. Greater than 1 means red color. You can change the colors also. What color you want, you can change that also. We can have custom format also, that we can, whatever you want, you can do that. Yeah, top 10 you can have it. So that is one thing. You can clear the entire format, there is no issue. So only thing is, first convert this into table. Simply Control Shift T. So Control Shift T means it's just made it like table, and one total is displayed at the down. So we can have different things here. For example, if this is sum means all the rows sum is displayed here. We can just click on average. So average is displayed. You can simply click on count. Count is displayed. Count numbers is displayed. Maximum is 8000. Minimum is 1000. We have summation 24,000. Standard deviation. We have variance. We have many more functions too, that we can check it here. Simply more functions. Yeah, so like that we can check whatever we want. So I am keeping none now. So that is one good thing. Yeah, this is about tables. I am just moving to next one, that is drop downs. So for example, this is the food items we have, but we want to allow users only few things. For example, only produce meat and bakery. So how we will do that? So we can do that. So simply click on department, this value. go to the data, we have data validation, click on data validation, simply click on here we have allow, simply click on that, here you take list. So we have source now, in that source simply enter produce, and then meat and then bakery. So simply hit OK. So we have these things, produce, meat or bakery, we have like this. So it's very nice, right? So you can apply this to all the rows also, so they can select what they want. Yeah, that is keeping comma is, yeah, you can add anything you want further. So like that you can add anything, so you can add anything. So this is one thing. Other thing is we can make this just click on that, control T, we can make this as a table. So this is table now, so we want the value here. So how we can do that? Simply click on that, we can go to data, we can simply click on that, we can go to list, simply hit OK and then select everything. So we selected all the source, produce, meat, bakery. So that will be displayed here, only those will be displayed here. This is one of the, instead of entering data manually there, we can manage here. For example, instead of bakery we can add bread also. Now bread also, that bread will be displayed here. Yeah, this is our for example, this is the restaurant different food items, but we have only these items as of today. So that only can be displayed here. Yeah, so that's very good one, good option. Yes, this is about drop down. So I am moving to next. Next is analyzing. Analyzing is a very good one. So it's better to use for example, just select everything, control A. So we have on right side small like notepad like structure, just click on that. So we have data bars. So what data bars will show? It will visualize their amount values. So in October how much we have, in November how much you have. So here is the thing, in meat December is very high. Instead of observing manually all the thing, we can visualize the data. So like this, yeah, that is one thing. So we can press it permanently. So this is one way to analyze the data. Simply if you don't want it, you can simply select everything and you can clear format. You can do that at any time. Yes, so inside data, just for making chart, simply control Q, you can press control Q, so that window will be displayed. So go to charts, this is the second tab, and then click on clustered column, clustered button. So yeah, so I simply clicked it, one table is generated for me. So this table I can place at any place. Here wherever I want I can place that table, that's my wish. Yeah, if I want I can adjust it. So you can see it here, breads, dessert, sandwich, salad, beef, chicken, veggie, fruit, all the items it chosen. It is in vertical, that is a total sale value. We have series 1, series 2, series 3 are October, November, December. So that is like that. We can see sparkline also. What is the sparkline? So just click on the data, just press Ctrl plus Q. So it will display one thing, one small window. Just click on sparkline. So what it means? Sparkline means what? So just click on that. Yeah, here you can see. So this value, how it is varying. For example, in this month, how data is varying. Let's keep on increase and decrease and little bit increase. Yeah, so bakery desserts are keep on increasing. So it is better to put more stock on that, because the price more people are eating that. Yeah, this one you can see people are eating very less. So we can reduce that stock because they are not eating. Here this is also good one. Chicken also people are eating a lot. So we can increase. Fruits also people are eating. Yeah, so like this we can use a sparkline also, that is analyzed. So another one is we came to now charts. So what we can do is click on anything, on the right side data. So go to insert, so and then click on recommended charts. Here we have recommended charts. Just click on the recommended charts. So it will display some charts to you based on our data. So it's our wish to choose whatever we want, but I'm just yeah, you can see here there are different types of data. Excel will display to you, but recommended is this, but I am choosing this. So I'm just clicking, I just hit entered. So it is displaying this chart, conference attendance. So this is the number of people in 2015, this many, 2016, 17, so 2020. So people are constantly increasing. Yes, yeah. So that is one thing. Yeah. So one more thing we can do is just click on this plus symbol. So we have different chart elements now. So we can click on trend line. Trend line means that is a linear trend here. Almost generally it will be linear. So it is the linear. So it will display how the trend is from here to there. Yeah, we can see in 2017 it is little bit high. In 18 it is less. 19 it is less. 2020 it is more. Yeah. So if we want, we can choose any other one also. Exponential, linear forecast. So whatever we want, we can take it. Yeah, this is the forecast for next year, how much it will be, something like that. So we can use that. So I am just coming to down. These are some data what we see in there. Yes. Yeah, we can have secondary data also, secondary axis, additional axis. How we can do that? A popular example is on the right. So just click on this data. So just go to recommend, insert. So just go to recommended charts and then all charts and then click combo. Where is combo? Let's see for combo. Yeah, combo is on down. So click on the right secondary axis checkbox. We have, let's see, yeah, we have secondary axis here. So this graph is normal. Say if you need secondary axis, we can simply click on secondary axis. So it is displaying other value also. Yeah, we can have many. Yeah, at a time we can't have everything, maybe more than 2. Yeah, so I'm just hitting OK. So this is the graph. We have, for example, let's analyze this graph. Here we have date, conference attendance, and food sales. How much food we have sold on that year? So 2015, 500 people attended, 5,000 food we have sold it, $5,000. So this is the thing. So blue color is a date. Yeah. So conference attendee, food sale is this one. Whatever graph is there, that is food sale. So the left side one is the dollars, right side one is the attendances. So attendances we can use for this one. This is for attendance. You can just, if you are clicking on that, we can see it's already data is selected. If you are clicking on that, the data is selected. If you are clicking on that, yeah, we can modify that anyhow by double clicking that minimum maximum values. We can adjust everything. Yeah, it's about adding secondary axis and all. Yeah, so this is about charts. So I came to pivot table now. This is one of the good table. So how we can do that? For example, this is the on this date, this particular salesperson earning product beer sold for amount of $1,400. So if you see this, how we can know who is the best performer, who sold more? So it is very difficult, right, by seeing this data. So we have one pivot table. Just click on this. So insert, make pivot table. So just click on existing worksheet itself. So we want to insert pivot table, for example, here itself. So just click on that. Okay, I think it's already some problem is there. Yeah. So for example, this is the, I will tell you later, this is the summary of pivot table. So we have beer 2150, soda 2100, wine 1690. Yeah, we don't need to do manual calculations and all. It's summation is there. They have only 3 products. We can see it by just clicking also. So their sum is automatically displayed here. So whenever we are clicking on this, we can see pivot table properties. That's what right side is displayed. So we have product and their amount. If you want salesperson, we can delete this. So Ani spent, Ani done around 2150, Lara 680, like this we can see. Total is 5950. If you don't want a salesperson name also, so amount, date. So on September we spent 1400, October 2270, November 2280. So we have 3 different dates. Here we have different dates. So this is how pivot table helps a lot for customizable reports. So that's very good one. If you don't want any data, and we can remove something. Yeah. So this is about that. For example, here I'm just clicked on that. I'm just clicking insert. I'm just trying to make a pivot table. I'm just clicking on exist. So I'm just clicking on, for example, so this location. So simply hit OK. So one pivot table came. It's asking us to select some data. I'm just clicking on amount. I need total amount. I need a salesperson who sold the product. So here earning Lada. So if I don't need salesperson, I need only product. Yeah, I can get the data. No, I need along with the date. Yeah, we can see beer sold by Ernie. Here the soda, 2 persons are there. Wine we have. I need along with the date also. Yeah. So this is the high level hierarchy. So we can just take out everything. So this is if you see simply it will be like this. If you need the data, we can go in September also on particular date we can go. This is a tree chart we can say like this. We can just check the data. This is about pivot tables. So this is about 10 points which I want to discuss today. So this is the end chart, almost it finished. So you can learn more things in LinkedIn learning or some directly Microsoft Excel also you can learn some stuff. If you have any questions, please comment in comment section. Yeah, it's a very big session, but it's useful. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Subscribe to my channel.